If you love to use glitters, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome at SHIVANSH MANN Makeup Studio YouTube channel. I have a huge collection of glitters and they are not enough. In this video, I am gonna share my one or two best glitters, or you can say shimmers, in this video, which can change the game of your makeup. This shimmer is from Chaparral and this is one of my best shimmers. You don't need any glue to use this, just take it from your finger or any brush and apply it directly. The actual shine of the particles can't be seen on camera, but in real it looks very nice and elegant, and the shimmer particles are very fine, and I will recommend this shimmer, and its shade name is Passionate Chaparral Passionate Shade Eyeshadow. You can use this as eyeshadow or just to give the finish to your eyes after applying any matte eyeshadow. You can use this in the corners to highlight brows and of course on the eyeball. This is the game changer. And here is one more shade from the same brand, Chaparral. This one. It's in a loose form. There is a hole in between. Look at the shine. Again, I will say the same thing. The actual shine and grace can't be seen on camera, but in real, it is more good. You don't need any glue to apply this, and it will stick directly on your eyes without using any glue, and it will stay for a long. This one shade is also very nice, and its name is 05 Chaparral Photo Ready Eye Glitter 05. I'm gonna add more shades of Chaparral glitter, and I will definitely share all those shades with you in upcoming video. I hope you like this video. You can buy the shades from Nykaa. मैंने Nykaa से ही buy किए हैं. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.